Welcome to today's slow Foxtrot lesson. We will look at routine, feather step and open telemark, open natural turn, outside spin, progressive chassé to right, weave ending and top spin, drag hesitation and curve feather ending. Man starts feather step with right foot forward, forward, forward outside partner, open telemark, forward, to side brush and to side in promenade, open natural turn, forward in promenade to side, back, outside spin, small step, pivot, forward outside partner and to side, progressive chassé, side close, side weave ending, back in CBMP, back to side, forward outside partner, top spin, back, back to side, forward outside partner, drag hesitation, forward to side, close without weight and change sway, curve feather ending, forward and forward outside partner. Lady steps, lady starts feather step with left foot back, back, back in CBMP, open telemark, back, close in heel turn, to side in promenade, open natural turn, forward in promenade, forward, forward, outside spin, forward outside partner, close on toes, forward between man's feet, chassé to right, side close, side weave ending, forward outside partner, forward to side, back in CBMP, top spin, forward, forward to side, back in CBMP, drag hesitation, back to side and close without weight and change shape and rotation, curve feather ending, back, back in CBMP. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and quick, quick, quick and quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick. And from opposite direction, and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and quick, quick, quick and quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at technique tips for open natural turn, outside spin and progressive chassé to right and weave ending, for drag hesitation and curve feather ending, and for body contact in open telemark. Man starts open natural turn from promenade position, forward in promenade, then goes to side and closes promenade, step back. Now he leads lady outside in outside spin, small step, pivot, forward outside partner, step to side. Now chassé with acceleration, side close side, weave ending on toes, and last step is toe heel. Lady starts open natural turn from promenade, forward in promenade, now forward between man's feet, and then forward, outside spin, big step, outside partner, and then turn on toes. Toes are closed, then forward between man's feet, chassé, side, close, side, weave ending, toe, toe, toe heel, toe heel. Drag hesitation, man starts with left foot forward, then right foot to side, sways to left, and then rotates to left, straighten sway. Now curve feather ending, he goes forward and rotates to right, continuous turn to right and step outside partner. Lady starts with right foot back to side, sways to right, head weight to right, closes, turns to left and turn head to left. Then curve feather ending, back, turning to right and back in CBMP. Now open telemark and body contact in promenade is important. Lady stays behind man and keeps body contact. This is wrong version where a lady doesn't keep the contact. And again correct version, lady after heel turn goes to man and keeps contact. thank all participants, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And I ask you also to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and learn more from me, Egils Smagris, personally. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.